So here we have a heated bird bath. It's a 75-watt thermostatically controlled heater bird bath with 2 food trays. This is great for winter outdoor patio, your lawn or garden decorations. It comes with a few options to mount it. This heated bird bath is built with a safe design, which is a 120 volt, 75 watt fully enclosed heating element that keeps the water ice free all winter, and the animals cannot come into contact with any heating parts. The temperature is self-controlled, so you don't have to worry about it getting too hot or not keeping the water ice free. The 2 food trays can hold 200 millimeters of food, and the edges are specifically designed for birds to stand on. And the biggest section can hold over 1.3 liters of water, so birds have plenty of water to drink and enough food to eat. And no need to plug it in when the weather is good outside. All the mounting hardware is included and gives you 3 different ways to install. Very easy. I used the clamp on this one for a quick demonstration, and you could easily clamp it to any ledge or shelf that's in the yard, or you could clamp it to a pole or a tree. Just look at the instructions and it's very easy to understand and clear to read. And the other mounting options are clearly displayed in the instructions. Here I use the clip support clamp. There's also a deck support clamp that you could screw in, and reinforced strings. This way you can hang. So if you like watching birds and want to take care of birds in the winter and continue feeding them and having them someplace to drink, then this bird bath is a great option. It looks good, and with its versatile mounting options, it's a great buy.